everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our inside-outside knife block, or Aniso Pakaro Sudo Maki.
Aniso Pakaro Soo Do Maki, sir.
One more time. Aniso Pakuro
Soo Do
Maki. Inside to outside knife block. We're gonna learn the exact same, we're gonna load the exact same way as our middle block. So he's gonna put the blocking hand on the bottom and the chambering hand on the top. Now you can choose to open this hand if it helps you remember. It's not really, it's not wrong and it's not right either. It's just kind of a memory thing. So you don't have to do that. And he's gonna step into that sideways position. He's gonna bring out that block in a knife position. And his wrist is gonna remain straight, and this is a 45-degree angle. The fingertips are level with the eyes. We are not having this too close to our head. We're not doing any amount of negative saluting. So make sure the elbow's bent, the elbow's bent, the wrist is not. What's bent?
The elbow, sir.
Very good. And blocking with the pinky side of his hand. Good. Opposite side. Ready, load, step, and block. Very good. Elbow bent, wrist straight. I always like to imagine that you have a little skier and they ramp off into the water. So, all right, from the side, he's gonna look, load, step out to the steps, nice and slow. Good, and knife block. Excellent. That is our inside to outside knife block, or Aniso Pakaro Soo Do Maki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.